We're better than the rest, starting from the first day. We've always been so blessed. We never have to worry about what life might throw at us, because we have each other near. We've got who we can trust. I love us. Who'd we rather be? I just have to look around. There's no one else I see. I love us. Every day is fun. There's nobody else for me. You're the only one. I love us. Make each day our best day is what we try to do. Nothing gets in our way. The tough times we get through, the little things that could become bigger things aren't there. They keep on staying little things because we really care. I love us. Who'd we rather be? I just have to look around. There's no one else I see. I love us. Every day is fun. There's nobody else for me. You're the only one. I love us. Everybody knows it. Here's what people say. Tell us what's your secret to living every day. We look at you and want to have a relationship like that, reaching for a better life instead of falling flat. I love us. Who'd we rather be? I just have to look around. There's no one else I see. I love us. Every day is fun. There's nobody else for me. You're the only one. I love us. I love us. Got who we can trust. I love us.